Welcome to another video session for our Visual BI extensions. My name is Ingvar Högefort and I'm the host of this session, and this time we will take a look how we can set up Drilldown in our maps. So here we are in Design Studio. So first let's take a look at the data source. And as you can see, we have in total 3 dimensions, one displaying the country, one for the region, one for our products, and we have one measure. So we're going to add the map to our Design Studio project. And the first thing we will then have to do is to assign the data source and to choose which map we would like to use as a starting point. So we assign the data source, and now we can choose a map as a starting point from the large collection of standard maps that this component adds to Design Studio. In our case, we're starting with a world map because we want to start with the world and then drill down into the individual countries. As a next step, we're going to take a look at the configuration. So first of all, we're assigning the primary measure. Then we go to the details for map level 1. In our case, it's based on the dimension. We could base it on longitude and latitude as well. We're choosing the country dimension for level 1. We're assigning that this is actually a key value, and we're assigning the data format. After we finished level 1, we will then move ahead to level 2. In level 2, we choose again the dimension, and we assign the region as the dimension, and we're choosing this time the text value, and we assign the format that this is the full name of the region. After we configured level 1 and level 2, we are moving ahead and going to configure what is called the Z-axis feature. The Z-axis allows us to include non-geographical information as part of the map. This time we choose the product group as dimension, the net value as the measure, and we choose to display a column chart. So what you will notice at runtime is that we can display this chart for all the geographic information we display in the map. So we finished our project and we can actually execute our application. As you can see here in the browser, we will first be presented with the world map, and we do have the option to drill down from each of the countries into the regions. So here from the US into the different states, we can see the details. We can go back to the world map and, for example, drilling down from Canada into the different provinces. We also have the option to display the Z-axis chart. Instead of a double click, we'll just use a simple click and the chart is being displayed. And if we select multiple countries, we can compare the values across countries. I hope I was able to interest you into our extensions for Design Studio, and in case you would like to try them out with your own system and your own corporate data, feel free to come to our website and register for our 30-day trial. I would like to say thank you for listening to me, and in case you have any further question, feel free to reach out to me.